children, today let's start with chapter number 5, working with spreadsheet. So in this chapter, we will study about MS Excel, which is very popular application because it's wide range of features and powerful. There are many ways you can edit the data in your Excel sheet. So Excel provides plenty of tools and features, not only to edit your document, but also customize the editing process. Now selecting cells, rows and column. अब आपको cells को select करना है, rows को, columns को, how you will do. First of all, you have to click on the cell of the range that you want to select. Hold the left button and drag it until required cells are selected. The selected range of the cell using keyboard, follow the given steps. Click on the first cell of the range and press shift key along with arrow key until the required. जितना भी cells को आपको select करना है, जब तक वो select ना होगा. Next is to select a complete row, click on the row heading. To select a complete column, click on the column heading that you want to select. Control plus F9 to minimize the workbook, Control plus 10 to maximize. Now entering number as text. If you want to Excel to treat certain numbers as text, then you will use text format instead of number form. Right? आप text format का use करोगे, ना कि number form. For example, if you are using a credit card number on number codes that contain 16 digits or more, you must use a text format. This is because Excel have maximum of 15 digits of precision and will round a number. Select the cell or range that contains numbers that you want to format. On the home tab, click the arrow next to the number format. Click on text option. Right? आप text option पे click करोगे. Now entering date and time. अब आप date and time enter करना चाहते हो. So for that it can be useful to insert current date and time. ठीक है, आपको current date और time जो अपने Excel spreadsheet में डालने हैं. Select the cell into which you want to insert the correct date and. On home tab, आप arrow next to the number format box पे जाएंगे. Click either on short date or time option. Right? Now editing. अब हम चाहते हैं कि जो cells content है उनकी editing करनी है. आपको कुछ से आपने गलत लिख दिया तो हम editing भी करेंगे. So for that, the process of overwriting or modifying cell content को क्या बोला जाता है? Editing. आप modify करना चाहते हो. Now I'm using overwriting. Follow the given steps. Select the entered cell data. For example, Anita is B4. Type new data. Aman in the cell and press enter. तो आप देखेंगे कि उसकी जगह क्या आ जाएगा? अनीता आ जाएगी. Now using edit mode. Select the cell B5 and double click. The insertion point will bring. Note that edit mode indicated on the left side of the status bar. Position the pointer to the desired place और आप उसके content को भी क्या कर सकते हैं? Change कर सकते हैं. Right? Now moving content. Now we want to move the content. So for that also you have to follow the different steps. आप cut and paste command का use करके भी move कर सकते हैं. So cut command allows you to remove information from that worksheet. Right? And paste command allow to paste. जो भी items है आप same और different places पे paste कर सकते हैं. Select the cell or range. In the home tab, click on the cut button on the clipboard group. Right? Click the cell where you want to move the content and click on the paste button from the clipboard group. The content will move to the desired cell. Using undo and redo function. So undo function performed to reverse the action of the earlier action. Undo button represent quick access to file. और redo function आप reverse कर सकते हो. जब हम क्या करते हैं action को reverse करते हैं तो हम undo का use करते हैं. Next, clear cell content. You can clear the content of the cell and remove the undesired content. ठीक है, तो आप कुछ steps फॉलो करेंगे. Select the sentence that you want to delete. On the home tab, click on clear button from editing group. Click on the clear content option from the drop down list. Now autofill feature. अब हम autofill feature का कैसे यूज करेंगे? Autofill feature जो है वो allow करता है to enter predefined series of data. It quickly fills cell in repeated or sequential data such as dates or numbers. Follow the given steps. Enter the first two values of the data. आपको जो adjacent cell है, दोनों cell को select करना और data fill करना. Like 12 in B2, 24 in B2. Click on the fill handle and drag to include the desired area and release the mouse over. It will fill here. Right? Like this, your data will be filled. Right? Hope you understood. We have completed that chapter. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.